Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh said there is a need for true voluntary blood donators nationally, as blood from the centre is used in both the public and private health sectors.
Our objective is to recruit a community of good, an army of good, 20,000 persons strong over the next 2 to 3 years. 20,000 persons who are altruistic to give blood twice to 3 times a year. And if my math is correct, Minister of Education, 20 by 2 is 40,000, and if they give 3 times a year, 20 by 3 is 60,000. We will have collected 40 to 60,000 pints of blood a year, up from the current 20,000 pints.
Blood donations continue to save many lives. Lots of families continue to be grateful for the donations, like the Braffett family. Jason Braffett's 10-year-old daughter Joanna has been receiving monthly blood transfusions through donations since she was 13 months old.
So that's over 100 blood transfusions so far.
Mr. Braffett said his daughter has an inherited blood disorder called beta thalassemia major, which requires frequent blood transfusions to preserve her life. But sometimes there isn't any blood available.
There are times in past, over these 9 years, that we would have come to receive a blood transfusion, and I'm told that there's no blood for Joanna. You have to come back. There are times when you hear that, one could only imagine the trauma, the horror that goes through a parent.
He said safe, available blood for those who need it is necessary. Minister of Education Dr. Nian Gansby-Dolly said a new generation of blood donors need to step in, and added that it is the pinnacle of volunteerism.
From 18 years old, one can donate, and therefore we are targeting our sixth form students, our post-secondary sector, those in tertiary education. We are asking you to step up, to give life to others, to give of yourself, because this is the most noble opportunity and responsibility. This is the pinnacle of volunteerism.
Also speaking at the rebranding ceremony was Principal of the University of the West Indies, Professor Brian Copeland, who pledged the university's continued support to the Blood Donation Centre. The True Voluntary Blood Donation campaign is designed to boost the availability of blood in the blood bank by increasing the number of altruistic donors and improving access to information and the donor experience. Mahalia Joseph-Wharton, TTT News.